That's a good idea. Come on up on the chair, babe. This is what Bella's trying to see down here. There's lots of men down there. And this is what we've been living with since last April. Who knows how many more months. They're doing the big thing here with the concrete truck, bringing it from the street. I can't even see this camera. The sun is shining so bright. I'm gonna bring it down this big line and pour it all down there where all those rebars have been crisscrossed. It's gonna be a fun day. My Bella went back to her little warm spot.